Professor Padma Shri Shijiki Garu, well-known scientist in the country, the managing director of the Omics Group, which has been rendering great service to the scientific community in publishing and dissemination of information. G.V.K. Rao Garu, Steshi Bhushan Garu, Prasad Garu, eminent scientists, press and media, and friends. You all know that the MD of the Omics Group, Srini Babu Gedala, has explained the purpose of this international conference in agriculture and horticulture sciences. I am proud to be associated with this international conference for the second time in a row. Basically, you know the theme of the conference, novel strategies, innovations in agriculture and horticulture sciences. Basically, the objective is to showcase research results and worldwide experiences in agriculture and horticulture innovation systems for the development of agriculture in this country, show useful methods, applications of knowledge in agriculture and horticulture sciences, provide a forum for researchers, policymakers, practitioners from different sectors and from different countries to gather in a place, and finally to identify new areas of research to improve the productivity, basically the incomes from agriculture all over the world. As you know, the country has achieved tremendous progress in agriculture, and we have harvested record high production of nearly 260 million tons of food grain, which is right now presently sufficient to cater the needs. But as you all know, we have a limited agricultural area in this country. Unlike Brazil or China, they can expand their cultivable areas. This country, for the last 50 years, the cultivable area suitable for agriculture is almost 175 million hectares, which we cannot increase. So the only option for this country is to increase productivity, which we have done quite well for the last 2 to 3 decades. As I said, the India currently is one of the largest exporter of rice in the world, and we are the second largest exporter of wheat to the world markets. Even then, the farmers' incomes from agriculture have not increased. This international conference would address the issues of stagnation of agriculture in this country, and basically it would help the international research areas where small farmers are able to increase agricultural income from their small farms, particularly with the innovations coming up, technology coming up in horticulture areas. This conference would bring scientists from over 30 countries with different varied experiences, and about 300 to 400 research papers are going to be published, are going to be presented in this paper, and suitable ones will be published in the Omics Group of open access journals. Friends, it's a great conference, it's a great opportunity to the states of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh to learn from the international experiences. I'm sure this country would, this conference would provide the opportunities for the scientists in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and as well as from all over India.